Hey everyone, welcome to day 11 of our JavaScript 30-day challenge. Today we are diving into three of the most important array methods in JavaScript: a map, filter, reduce. So these are powerful tools for working with arrays, used in real-world applications like filtering search results, displaying lists, calculating totals, and transforming data. So let's learn what each method does, see it within real examples. Now let's understand what is map. So map function is used to transform each item in an array and return a new array with the modified values. So it does not change the original array. For example, if I say const numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I want to multiply each number by 2, so I will say const doubled equals to numbers dot map. So we use this map function here, and I will take one variable and use the arrow and I will say num multiplied by 2. I will console both numbers. I will have consoled both numbers and doubled list. So let's see an output. So we have first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and in the second we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which is doubled of each elements in the first list. As you can see, it has not altered the original array. So now let's see what is filters. Filter function is used to select elements from an array that matches a condition. So it returns a new array with only the matching items. For example, I will say const ages equals to 24, 24, 56, 67, 56, 65, 78. So this is the ages list. I want to get the adults. So I will say another variable const adults equals to ages dot filter num arrow function where not num age arrow function, and where age is greater than 25. So when age is greater than 25, I will say they are adults. So I will print console.log ages. So let's see, not ages, adults. So let's see the output. So we got 34, 56, 56, 65, 78. So 24 has been filtered out from these ages. So it removes invalid data and it is useful for creating search results and also filtering users, products based on rules. So now let's understand what is reduce. So reduce function is used to combine all elements in an array into a single value. So it could be a sum, product, average, object, or anything. So let's see, I have const prices equals to, in the list I have 100, 200, 300. So I want addition of all these prices. So I will say const total equals to prices dot reduce. Here we have two variables, that is accumulator and current value. So accumulator keeps the running total and current value will give the current value in array. So I will take two variables, that is accumulator and current value, and add both this accumulator and current value, comma, and initial values will be accumulator and current value, and initial values will be 0. So I will console.log total. So let's see an output. So we got 600, that is 100, 200, 300, total is 600. So accumulator, as I said earlier, it keeps the running total. Real world chaining example. So here we have a task to filter even numbers from a list of numbers and double them and sum the result. So we have three tasks, that is filter even numbers, then we have to double them, and also we need to sum the result. So these are the three tasks we have. So we'll solve this. So I will say const nums equals to, and I will say 1 to 6. So we have this nums. So first is we need to filter even numbers. So I will take one result, const result equals to nums. First we need to filter the even numbers. So nums dot, I will say filter function, and inside the braces I will take n arrow function n modulus 2 equals 0. So this will return 2 comma 4 comma 6. We can see that in a result. So I'll just say I will print console.log result. So if I go to browser, so we have got 2 4 6, so that means we have filtered even numbers. Now we need to double them. So here only I can just say dot map. So map and n arrow function n multiplied by 2. So if I see the results, it has been multiplied by 4, 8 and 12. Now we need to sum the result. So for that we have reduce dot reduce. Here I will take two variables, sum comma n, accumulator and the total value, and arrow function sum plus n. So we have added the each numbers. So we got 24. So all three methods can be chained together to process data in one go. Super useful. So we have chained filter, map and reduce in one go. So let's see what we learned today. First we learned about map function. So it transforms every item in the array and it returns new array. Then we learnt about filter. So it keeps only items that matches a condition, results in new array. Next we learnt about reduce. It combines all items into a single result. So it will return only one value. I have a mini challenge for viewers. So first form an array and have elements from 1 to 5. Filter only odd numbers and then square them, and in the final add the results. Try your own challenge and drop it in the comments. So great work. Now you understand three powerful array methods used in real world JavaScript applications. Map for transforming, filter for selecting, reduce for summarizing. Like this video, subscribe if you are enjoying the 30-day challenge. See you in the next one. Till then, happy coding.